Come to the in front of me Nokia X20, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So just you should press your up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and you'll see here the bell icon. Just tap here to the bell icon, and just you'll see here that all your calls and ringtones will be muted. That means that you just turned on the silence mode on your device. And just to turn off the silence mode by the same way, click here to this bell icon and select the regular bell icon here, and you will see that our calls and notifications will ring again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.